Well guys, I'm about to buy another one. This one's just for parts. So I'm gonna strip it down to nothing, take what I need off it, and sell it off. Alright, we got our AAA in action here. Get tow home. Alright, we're loaded up. Just gonna follow our driver home. Got her home. Door service. Little drain plug, alright. Some magnetic. Look at this, making my money back already. Got 50 cents off this thing. A little sanitizer, might that here. Batteries. Alright. Oh. It's time to move this baby into the garage. So this is gonna be the last time this Saab ever starts up. And sorry neighbors, it's gonna be pretty loud because the exhaust is gone. I'm actually interested to hear what this sounds like. Here we go. It's actually not that loud. Okay, yeah, it's loud. Okay, now that we are in the garage, it's got no doors. I'll start taking some stuff out of the engine bay. I'm not gonna do too much. I'm gonna do intake, alternator, probably pull the intercooler off. Let's steal the turbo, maybe the manifold. Do have a new battery from last summer, so I'm definitely keeping that. Downpipe is disconnected from the catback. I'm just gonna spray these nuts and bolts down. Let that kind of soak for a while. Okay. Oh. Oh. Yeah, that one I wasn't able to spray with the PB blaster, but there we go. Oh yeah. Should be free. Alright, these are actually the stock tires that came on my 92X when I bought it, but my parts car had a set of the same rims, so I'm kind of particular about my tires, and I didn't like the Goodyears on here, so I'm selling these, and then I'm gonna just put the tires that I want on the other rims I got. Alright, this is my Saab. As you can see, the steering wheel's all sticky and nasty. So, I'm gonna swap them out. This is the old one. Just all peeled and get sticky gunk on my hands. This one is much better. Super easy. I'm gonna make this guy disappear. Passenger going in. Doing with twos on. Injectors on the passenger side are coming out. I got drivers out. So, intake manifold bolts are off on this side. So, I think get these injectors out, zip these bolts off, should be ready to come out. Intake manifold is off. Basically just leaves the block, which I don't have room for. We have sold some injectors from the parts car. Alright, turbo is also sold with the injectors. So I got a buddy who blew the motor in his Outback, and I already tried to get him to buy this once and he didn't want it. Now he wants it. He's on his way right now. Get this thing out of my garage. Where are you putting this?
My brother's place in Midway.
I was mudding this weekend, and so I went and plugged the winch in, and it just starts sparking. At least you got a driver door. Okay, this is my secret room of storage. You've already saw me install a couple of these doors, so I have this passenger remaining. Got a hood under here. Actually, there's two hoods under there. Rear bumper, front bumper's there. I am hoarding exhaust right now. I think I got 2 up pipes, 2 mid pipes, and a muffler right now. Last year I was stocking up for like the 300 horsepower upgrade, which I'll be doing after I get rid of this car in my garage. I've got like 2 sets of exhaust. Whatever I like better, I'm gonna keep, and then I'll just sell the rest. Got another box of goodies in here. I've actually sold a lot of parts already, but I just sold these headlights. So I'm down here to grab these.
Anything else off of this thing?
Just a 12 mil.
Can't help you there.
So TK, who bought my parts car last week, just took the engine out. Literally every piece of this is gonna keep something else on the road. Is this?
That's not.
It's like, is this the up pipe?
Kind of wish you didn't take the intake manifold off.
It does have weather out.
So that can actually pressure wash.
The only reason I took it off, I was trying to get my 12 mil. I thought it was right under there.
Dude, I would have seriously thought you would have set a fucking.
I've got the intake if you want to put it back on.
No, I've got intake.
Nice to get a bed
It's just
line
that
too.
I don't have it.
Would have been nice to have it.
I don't really actually do it.
I kind of want the spray-in one.
That's all we got.
There.
Is the engine still in your Outback?
Yeah.
So you gotta pull that next?
Title?
Yeah, I got it right here.